So this is the Coventry Transport Museum. This is on the ground floor. I'm not going to do much of the talking, but you can see very beautiful cars in this museum. I think most of these are marvels of engineering. And seeing these old cars it's amazing feeling. If you're a car guy or not. You can see some bicycles as well. Coventry has a really good history regarding motoring and even bicycles. So if you want to read something, you can pause the video and read, because they have given very detailed information about each of these exhibits. And if you live anywhere close to Coventry, I recommend visiting and see these amazing pieces of engineering. So I took an annual ticket, so per year you can visit as much as you want to the museum and look at these things. And the ticket is even transferable. You can give it to your friend as well if you want. I'm not using any mic or anything like that for my video. This is one of my first videos I'm doing like this, in this style. So if this takes off, I'll do many more videos as well. They're maintaining these cars in really good standard as well, polished. Like, but they use these cars for car shows, and that means these are running. When we compare some of these cars with modern vehicles, these are huge even than very large SUVs.
At the time, he was still making velocities, very early life disorders. I met a nice young lady in Coventry and got married and went to do business with her dad. Our company was called Singapore. By then we were making I do not appreciate a lady in a suit that could not be distinguished from her brothers or her husband. But others should. With the sex not only does it catch the wind like experimenting, but it necessitates a weakening of the
One thing I should specially mention is that most of these cars are made in Coventry.
About 40,000 of them. Mostly making watches and silk rings. Actually, the watchmakers mostly made parts of the watches, hands and dials and things, and worked from home. The women were Coventry big factories. About half of the workers made living from it. Handmade skin-powered jacquard and purpose-built watches. It was a booming industry.
For women, just the beginning.
Towards the end of the 19th century, more and more women were taking up cycling. Arguments began on what they should wear.
Some felt ladies should get rid of their corsets and petticoats and instead wear something like this, with a looser fitting top and knickerbockers that made it much easier to ride.
British engineering is amazing.
Two shameless females in blue, bicycles and suddenly village women were so scandalous. I do not appreciate a lady in a suit that could not be distinguished from her brothers or her husband.
Roll up for the stupendous sensation of 1910. It's the trip to London, a thrilling contest that pits every mode of popular transport head-on against each other. Watch amazed as the horse battles the bicycle, the motor car challenges the motorcycle, and the mighty steam locomotive tries to beat them all. Who will win, ladies and gentlemen? Join us at the track and pick your winner.
Rover, Swift, Singular and Standard between them made over a quarter of Britain's cars. Actually, quite a lot of them started out making bikes. Rover's first car was built in their site factory canteen. Workers used old skills on new products. But there weren't nearly enough of them. The motor industry employed half the male population in Coventry. Engineers were brought in from Birmingham, Manchester, London and beyond, driving the population up by 50%. This new breed of car engineer was highly skilled and paid pretty well by the standards of the time. But when decisions needed making, it was the bosses who got their way. Not surprising, really. For instance, William Hillman had put over £22,000 into his car company by 1914.
You can see some of the cars and motorcycles still being restored.
But what wealthy owners wanted wasn't always good for business.
Another Coventry
They
made
liked
vehicle.
really expensive cars like the 1912 Sydney Diesel.
A road carriage of the first quality, such as would give the most blasé motorists a new impression of motoring.
Wow, great. But not many people could afford a car like that. It cost £685, 100 times the whole weekly wage bill at Standard in 1903. The answer was light cars, smaller cars with engines no bigger than 1.5 litres. These sold for less than half the price of the big machines. And when Standard came out with a £185 car in 1912, they sold nearly 2